Hey guys, how's it going? CoderMan here. In today's video, I'm actually heading into the city to do a photo shoot with my buddy Josh from Street for Details. We're actually doing a nighttime photo shoot, so I figured at the same time I'll also do a nighttime POV of the GT4. So once this light turns green, we're gonna head on into the city, and hopefully this is some pretty epic footage. So believe it or not, it's actually really hard to drive with the POV. I'm not sure how the seasoned guys do it. I should probably pick their brain and figure it out, because I essentially drive cross-eyed, and for depth of field on a car, that's kind of fun. Lots of cops out tonight. Not sure if they're just running awareness, like, you know, make their presence, or if they're pulling over lots of people. So far, I've only seen them helping out, like just stranded motorists. But from what I gather, cops aren't taking too kindly to supercars and sports cars ripping up and down the highways at night. So you got to play it safe. All right guys, so we got into Boston. As you can see from around me, there is literally nobody here. That's my buddy Josh right there. He's doing the photo shoot. I'll put a link in the description to his channel as well as his website. Hire him for your photography. That's really the only vehicle you're gonna see is buses, occasional police car. So what I'm gonna do is I'm actually gonna put the camera over there and gonna film some of Josh taking the photos.
Okay, so I'm gonna have you back the car in, and I'll position you where I want you, because this is a different shot than the other one we were doing. Yeah, same basic area. Yeah, keep your window open, and then when we're ready to shoot, just roll it up. Oh, a cop's coming. Never mind. We're all set, we just gotta go.
Okay. That's fine. Where do you want to go?
You said mayor's orders, so I don't know, where do you want to go?
Somewhere...
He's not.
All right, so we got kicked out of that area, as you probably saw. Where the hell's up with my focus? But now we're up by the water, and as you can see, it's pretty awesome here. Right now, Josh is actually setting up for some light painting. So yeah, you can actually watch him real time. All right guys, now we're over here by the bridge doing the last photo shoot. We've actually run into a cop every place except here, but I want to thank Josh.
Hey guys, how you doing?
Go ahead and follow him on Instagram. You want to tell them what you...
Shoot for Details on Instagram. If you want, add me on Facebook. My name's Joshua Sweeney.
All right, well, thank you. Enjoy these tunnel clips on the way back home, and I will catch you guys in the next video. have to come through here on another night when they're not doing construction, and when every cop in Boston isn't in the tunnels. But hopefully you guys enjoyed those pulls. Even stock, this exhaust sounds amazing. You get, you know, when I have the windows up, you get a lot of the intake noise behind me. But when, you know, when I had the windows down a little bit, you hear a lot of the exhaust. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this photo shoot. This is something that I've wanted to do for, I don't even know, pretty much forever. And, you know, Boston is usually really super busy, but, you know, given the current situation, there's not a lot of people out. You're in the area and this is something you're thinking of doing. I will say that there was a lot of cops tonight. I mean, you saw the one at the Paramount. That guy actually was going to give me a ticket. I don't know for what, but my buddy actually explained to him that we were just doing a quick photo shoot, and he let us, you know, go on our way. But yeah, I technically ended the video when we were over at the Zakim Bridge, but I guess I'll end it again for those who stuck around for the tunnel. And yeah, I appreciate you guys checking out this video. We're almost at 2,000 subscribers. I've been super excited for all of the support. So that's all I have for this video. I appreciate you checking it out. Hopefully you enjoyed the photo shoot. It was a lot of fun to work with Josh on this. We've actually done a couple of other photo shoots with my M3 in Boston as well as other places. We'll be doing some rolling shots, video and photos, you know, once we're able to go outside and actually be around cars again. But I appreciate you guys, you know, checking out this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one.